Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete a Snapchat account permanently, security restriction. So please try again. So if you see this kind of error when you try to delete or deactivate your Snapchat account permanently, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, you have to simply make sure that you have connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, you have to simply search for App Store, and you have to check whether it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to simply open the Snapchat app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on Bitmoji profile. After that, you have to simply click on setting, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of delete account here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply log in your account, which means you have to provide your email address, username and password, and after that your account will be shown here. So if you see this kind of page, and after that you see security restriction, then there is also written, then you have to simply wait for 72 hours so that you want to deactivate or delete your account. Because if you try to delete your account on Snapchat within 72 hours of reactivating your account or deleting your account, then it will be not possible. Because Snapchat only allows you to delete your Snapchat account only after 72 hours. So if you want to delete or deactivate your account, you have to wait for 72 hours, and after that you have to you will be able to delete your account. So after deleting your account, you have to wait for 30 days so that it can be permanently deleted. But if you log in back into your Snapchat account, then it will be reactivated again, and it will not be deleted permanently. So if you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, then you have to simply wait for 30 days and do not have to log in your Snapchat account back so that it can be permanently deleted. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.